dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 5, The World Around Us, Chapter number 31, Famous Cities of the World. So try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world cities. Let me start. Question number 1. You are in the last square. On one side is St. Basil's Cathedral. On another side is the Gum department store. So nearby is a walled fortress. In which city are you? आपको Moscow. 2. You are besides a large harbor, one of the world's largest steel span bridges at your left. Okay, so behind you is a fantastic opera house with a roof of sails. In which city are you? Sydney. You are on the beach of a large city overlooking the city mountains, one of which is Sugarloaf Mountain. On another mountain is a large statue of Christ. In which city you are? Rio de Janeiro. 4. You are crossing the Grand Canal by the Rialto Bridge. You cannot see the traffic on the canal below as there are stores on each sides of the bridge. If you could see this traffic, it would include gondolas. In which city you are? Which city are you? कौन से शहर में आप? So Venice. You are in Europe's highest capital. It is situated in the Pyrenees, Andorra la Vella. You are in the downtown area of a large city in North America. Rising high are the CN Tower and the two curved towers of the City Hall. This city has an American League baseball team and an NHL hockey team. In which city are you? Question number 6. Toronto. Number 7. You are looking at the remains of a church tower, all that is left of a church destroyed in World War II. A famous street in the city near the river Spree called Unter Linden. In which city are you? Berlin. You are looking at a statue of the Little Mermaid. Okay, in the harbor of a city that has a large amusement park, Tivoli Gardens. In which city are you? Number 8. Copenhagen. You are in a vast square. On one side of this square is a Forbidden City. Also located here is a mausoleum where a former leader of the country is on display. In which Asian capital are you? Beijing. You are standing on a bridge over the river Seine looking at Notre Dame Cathedral. Another church in the city, the Church of Sacre-Cœur. In which city are you? Paris. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 32. Economic capital. Try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world of economic capital. Choose the correct option. Number 1. I was the starting point of 2010-2. Defense. I was destroyed by German bombing during the Blitzkrieg. Then rebuilt. I have served as the largest port city in Europe and the second in the world in terms of service. Who am I? Rotterdam. I am the city closest to where the prime meridian and equator intersect. I was originally a small fishing village. I am the chief port city of Ghana. So who I am? Who am I? Tema. I was the capital of Israel from 1948 until 1950. I housed the majority of Israel's population in my metropolitan area. I was founded in 1909, making me one of the newest cities in what was to become Israel. So who am I? Number 3. So option is A. Tel Aviv. 4. I was the former capital of Côte d'Ivoire. I have been the chief manufacturing center of Côte d'Ivoire. I reached a metropolitan population of over 5 lakh in 2010. 50 lakh. In 2010. So who am I? 2010 तक 50 lakh population. Abidjan. This one. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 33. Famous town squares in the world. A town square is an open public space commonly found in the heart of a traditional town used for community gathering. Most town squares are suitable for open markets, music concerts, political rallies, and other events that require farm ground. So try this quiz to test your knowledge. Answer the following. The world's most famous square is located at the junction of Broadway and 7th Avenue and stretching from West 42nd and West 47th Streets. So it's filled with video screens, LED signs, and flashing lights, and is known to be a major tourist attraction. It is also known for its famous New Year's Eve ball draw. So this is Times Square, New York, US. US. It is located in the heart of Moscow. It is surrounded by St. Basil's Cathedral, the State History Museum, Lenin's Mausoleum, and the Kremlin. So it is Russia's most recognizable landmark and is usually tourist first stop in Moscow. So the answer is Red Square, Moscow, Russia. It is the largest city square in the world. It is surrounded by Soviet-style monuments and government buildings. So there is a ceremony for flag raising and lowering at dawn and dusk. So it became famous due to the square massacre on June 4, 1989, which troops with assault rifles and tanks inflicted thousands of casualties on unarmed civilians. So it is option is not there. Tiananmen Square, Beijing, China. Number 4. Located between Wenceslas Square and the Charles Bridge, it is often bursting with tourists and locals in the summer. So featuring various architectural styles includes the Gothic Time Cathedral and Baroque St. Nicholas Church. So the city square is an oasis for travelers tired of the narrow street Prague. So it is Old Town Square, Prague Caesar's Republic, Old Town Square. Old Town Square, Republic, RE. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 34. A city by the sea. Many of the world's cities sit on the edge of sea, and with this quiz, it's up to you. Determine the locations based on the clues. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The Caribbean Sea is home to a number of capital cities, including which of these on the island of Hispaniola? So, the option is B. Santo Domingo. Found at the tip of Sinai Peninsula in the Red Sea, what Egyptian city is sometimes considered part of Asia? So option is C. Sharm el Sheikh. Sharm el Sheikh. The largest city of the Caspian Sea, the world's largest land, Block C. Taft may consider it a lake. It is which of these world capitals known for its oil industry? Baku. Which of these cities not found on the Baltic Sea coast? So the option is D. Rotterdam. The westernmost part of the Mediterranean Sea is the Albon Sea, which also includes the Strait of Gibraltar. Which European city can be found in this region? So the option is B. Malaga. Question number 6. Which of these cities found on the Sea of Japan? B. Vladivostok. Which of these southern hemisphere cities can be found on the edge of the Tasman Sea? So the option is C. Sydney. The Black Sea is the major body of water for what Winter Olympic city? Question number 8. So the answer is A. Sochi. Only one of these locations is the South China Sea, but which is it? Number 9. Option is D. Da Nang. Venice, Italy is one of the Adriatic Sea, a smaller part of the Mediterranean. What world city can also be found on this body of water? So option is B. Dubrovnik. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 35. Run down the line. There are several world cities which share the same longitude. Read the clues, given the name of one of the cities, and then answer the other city. So choose the correct option. Longitude 130 west. Okay, Vancouver in Canada is on the same longitude as the American city, which lies on the Pacific Ocean. So it is the largest community of Chinese people outside of China. So where am I? So the option is C. San Francisco. Longitude 90 west, Havana in Cuba is on the same longitudes as this American city, which lies on the Mississippi River. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated, and the city outside room 306 at the Lorraine Motel. So where am I? So the option is D. Memphis. Longitude 80 west, Toronto in Canada is on the same longitude as this Columbia city, which is home to O22 Soccer Stadium, Stadio El Champion Estadio, Metropolitano di Taco, where am I? Option is C, Bogota. Longitude 60° will Montevideo in Uruguay is on the same longitude as this capital city of an island in the Atlantic Ocean. So the same island has been part of a tug of war battle between Argentina and Great Britain. So where am I? Port Stanley. Longitude 10° west. So Liverpool in England is on the same longitude as this African city, which is home to Hassan II Mosque, one of largest mosques in the world. So where am I? Casablanca. Okay, Casablanca. Longitude 10° east also in Norway is on the same longitude as the city in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980 with history which dates back to the Knights of St. John of Jerusalem. So where am I? Option A is Valletta. D. Longitude 40° east. Basra in Iraq is on the same longitude as the city on the Arabian Peninsula. So the city is famous for King Fahd Road. Where am I? I am in Riyadh. Longitude 70° east. Mumbai in India is on the same longitude as the city in northern Pakistan. Alexander the Great and Genghis Khan used it as a route so to invade South Asia. So where I am in Islamabad. Longitude 100° east. Okay, Phnom Penh in Cambodia is on the same longitude as this Mongolian city, so which has rail connections to Russia and China by way of the famous Trans-Siberian Railway. Where I am in Ulaanbaatar. Longitude 100° east. Melbourne in Australia is on the same longitude as the city, located on an island in the Pacific Ocean. One of the main languages is Tok Pisin, and the people who use the language call their city Port Moresby. Where I am? Port Moresby. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 36. National symbols. Write the correct letters in the boxes to match the countries with their national emblems and symbols. Number 1, Egypt. E. England, rose. K. France, iris of fleur-de-lis. A. Ireland, bald eagle, maple leaf. Ireland. Okay. Option is L. Okay. Now number 5, Japan. F. Option is F. The Netherlands, tulip. Option is B. Scotland, thistle. J. Number 8, Switzerland. I. Walls. C. Canada. Number 10, maple leaf. G. And Sri Lanka. 11. Option is D. Lion. And the last one, 12. USA, bald eagle. Option is H. Okay. Okay, so students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 37. Wonders of the world. अजूबा, ये है वर्ल्ड के अजूबे. In which country would you be if you visited the following wonders? The Colosseum. तो कौन सी कंट्री में है ये? इटली. नंबर 2 पेट्रा, ये है जॉर्डन में. ओके. नाउ नंबर 3 चिचेन इट्ज़ वर्सेलिस, मैक्सिको. नंबर 4 क्रिस्ट द रिडीमर, ब्राजील. माचू पिच्चू, पेरू. द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना, चाइना. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. General knowledge quiz. Okay, let me start. Question number 1. What is the orange part of an egg called? It is yolk. Two. How many legs do insects have? 6. What is a baby kangaroo called? Joy. What is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury. Five. In which country can you find the Eiffel Tower? France. Six. How many days are there in a year? 365. How many players are in a soccer team? 9. Where do polar bears live? Arctic region. Which is faster, light or sound? Light waves. How many letters are in the English alphabet? 26. What is the name of a shape with 5 sides? Pentagon. How many continents are there? 7 continents. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. What is the name of the tallest mountain on earth? Mount Everest. The planet Mars is also known as what? The planet, red planet. How many months have 31 days? 7. How many colors of the rainbow are there? Also seven color. My mother's mother is my what? My mother's mother. मेरी मम्मी की मम्मी, ग्रैनी, नानी. Which animal lays the largest egg? Ostrich. How many zeros in 10,000? 4. And the last one, in which country would you find the Sydney Opera House? Australia. Okay. So everyone, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed these all our chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.